In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Monday.com. Whether you're setting up a new workflow or looking to streamline your current processes, templates can be a game changer. Let's dive into how to effectively use them to enhance your productivity on this platform. First, you'll want to head over to the Monday.com website, navigate to your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a login option on the upper right hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on Log In. If you're new to the site, you might think this is straightforward, and you'd be right, but it's a crucial first step to accessing your workspace. As you log in, you have two options. You can either sign in using Google or manually type in your email address. If you choose the Google option, you'll need to select the email account you want to associate with Monday.com. A quick click and you'll be on your way to your workspace. Once inside your workspace, look towards the left side of the screen for a blue plus sign. This icon is your gateway to creating boards and accessing templates. Click on it, and from the drop down select Boards. A small arrow icon will appear beside Boards. Hover over it and you'll find the option to start with template. This is where things start to get exciting. When you enter the template section, you'll see a range of choices laid out for you. These templates are grouped by different functions and processes, making it a breeze to find one that suits your needs. To explore everything Monday.com has to offer, click on All Templates. This will show you the complete repository of available templates from project management to marketing and beyond. Next, cast your eyes over to the left side of your screen where the categories are listed. These help you narrow down your search even further. If you're involved in sales or customer relationship management, you might want to click on Sales and CRM. This category is packed with templates specifically designed to optimize those workflows. By selecting a category, you're offering yourself the benefits of a tailored experience, allowing you to find a template that aligns perfectly with your goals. Once you've found the ideal template, applying it is just a click away. Monday.com streamlines this part of the process so you can get set up quickly and efficiently. As you integrate these templates into your workflow, you'll discover how valuable they are for saving time and ensuring consistency. And there you have it, you're well on your way to mastering templates in Monday.com. Remember, the goal is to make your work life simpler and more organized. With templates, you're equipped to tackle your to-dos with newfound efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.